Father and son perish in St. Anne crash. Over 30 people sustained injuries.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
2 persons were crushed to death and several others hospitalized following a 2-vehicle collision near Richmond Estates in St. Anne on Saturday morning. The crash involved a bus belonging to the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC and a Nissan Caravan. The deceased men have been identified as 55-year-old Elkeito Mushette of Greater Portmore and Sheldon Mushette, 29 years old, of Spanish Town, both in St. Catherine. Police reports are that about 9 a.m. on July 13th, Elkeito was driving a Nissan panel van along the road towards St. Anne's Bay, when, upon reaching the vicinity of the Royal Plantation scheme, he lost control of the vehicle. It is further reported that the van drifted into the path of a JUTC bus that was heading towards Montego Bay. The 2 vehicles slammed into each other head-on, which resulted in firefighters cutting one of the men from the wreckage of the van. Both Elkeito and Sheldon were later taken to hospital, where they were pronounced dead. Meanwhile, the driver of the JUTC bus and 45 passengers traveling in that vehicle were also assisted to hospital, where they were treated for various injuries. The passengers in the JUTC bus were reportedly members of a church from Spanish Town in St. Catherine, who were heading on a church excursion.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.